Pathik Foundation would like to welcome you to the relaxation package of before and after trip. Before you go to the trip to Himalayas, you can visit and stay with us. Since you'll go to the high mountains, you'll need some practice of yoga and pranayam for you to enjoy your hike. So, in the morning time, we would teach you basic yogasan and pranayam techniques. It will be followed by active meditation and Reiki healing relaxation music. In the afternoon time, you will relax in passive meditation. It includes Naad-brahma Yog-nidra. You can also choose to do full body massage in this time. In the evening session, you will do celebration and kirtan, and during the relaxation session, you will enjoy sound healing music. This is how your day will look like before your trip to Himalayas. After coming from your hikes to the Himalayas, you can also stay with us for 2 to 3 days as per your need. During this time period, we will help you to release your muscles by doing Sukshma Vyayam, joint release exercise, and it will be followed by Pranayam, Anulom Vilom and Brahmari. Then you'll get Reiki healing in the first day. During the daytime, you'll relax in passive meditation, Yoga Nidra session and Naad-brahma. You can choose to walk around in the garden and stay silent as well. Or you can also do full body massage as per your need. The evening session will be Kundalini energy activation or celebration. Or you can also do Chakraman Dhyan during the evening session. This is how it looks like after your trip to your Himalayas. We would like to welcome to Pathik Foundation and stay with us and relax. Thank you.